Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're experiencing slow buffering of videos. So when you're performing a video playback, you're having issues. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon. And you want to search for control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. Want to set your view by to large icons and then select Network and Sharing Center. Select your connection type on the right side here, should be underlined, so go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the Properties button. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then in parentheses it says TCP/IPv4 and then select Properties. Set Obtain an IP address automatically as well as Obtain DNS server address automatically both to the on position, so toggle both of them so they both have the little blue circle next to them, so make sure they are both selected here. And then you would select OK, close out of here. Something else you can do here as well, go ahead and open up whatever web browsers you're having the problem with. So let's say you're using Google Chrome, so let's go ahead and open up Chrome here. Select the menu icon, select More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and clear all times, especially cached images, for example, and then clear data. And once you're done with that, you would restart your computer, or restart the browser at least, and then hopefully it should improve the buffering speed. So pretty straightforward process. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.